Hey guys, this is Rich with FastReviews, and today I'm super excited. We are unboxing the Xbox Series replica fridge. This is very confusing because it looks like the Xbox Series X, but it's actually a fridge. So don't go storing your sodas into your Xbox Series X. You can see that it emulates even the line for the DVDs or the game cartridges. It also has a USB port. It also supports AC and DC voltage, so that means that you can plug it in to your car while on the road. The top of the fridge on the Xbox Series light up. This is what it looks like here. You have 2 snack shelves, and you got the ability to hold 12 soda cans. That's a lot of soda. 12 soda cans. Think about all that soda. So you've got the 2 snack shelves, you've got the 12 soda cans. Great addition for a game area. Portable design, perfect for car, RV, or truck. If you've got an RV, you probably have a fridge anyway. It's got a 10-liter capacity. Let's open up this bad boy and see how good this fridge is. It does come with an instruction manual. Take a quick look here. So operation, cooler placement. You need 4 inches from the wall to allow proper ventilation. Have a Tesla. You probably can put this in the front trunk, although it will not be able to vent properly, maybe. It has a switch that basically controls whether it's a DC or AC. And it has a warranty, which is 90 days. And you can register your warranty by scanning the QR code. So that's your instruction manual. Let's get to unboxing this. So this is a oversized Xbox X. It is really light. It is very plasticky. Copyright 2021. You've got fake USB ports, fake network, a expansion card, fake power, HDMI, I guess that's what that is. But here's the confusing part, guys. You have a button that doesn't work. You have a real USB port right here. So you got a real USB port, you got a fake button here. Actually, it's an on and off button. And then you got a button here. And then you open the fridge up like so. Okay, pretty cool. So it's very, very plasticky. It does have a rubber strip around the edge there. And you can see that it can actually fit a lot of cans. You can take out these shelves, they're removable. And it comes with both the power and also 12 volts. The fit and finish of the shelf is not great. So what's happening is the inside is narrower than the outside. So make sure that the shelf slides properly. So it comes with a power cable. And that just plugs in. Where do you plug it into? Oh, it plugs into the top right here. So on the top there's a AC, there's on off, and there's 12 volts. So very cool. So go ahead and plug this in and let's see this bad boy light up. The AC is labeled 120, so make sure that you do not use 240 on this AC. The DC, the output of the USB is 5 volts. It means that you've got a working USB port, which is right here, to charge your devices. Now look at the placement of the power. The power is placed on the top. Alright, let's turn it on. Okay, so you can hear the fan go. I don't see any lighted. See this light up? Oh, there you go. So the top lights up. On, off. So the LED. This lights on the right here. And that's it. Hopefully it's cold. So you got a fan running, just kind of sucking the air out. I guess we'll see if that's cool. Now let's look inside. Were they smart enough to put lights inside? No. Got no lights inside, guys. The lights are just on the outside. Alright, so let's see how cool this thing has gotten. It's getting there. It's like maybe 70 degrees. So here is the good. The good is that the lights are pretty cool. It's like a supersized the Xbox. The downside is that they put the power cable on the top here instead of the bottom. So I'm not very good on that idea. And I don't have any, I've only got one USB in the front to power this on. So on this product, I say we definitely need some improvement. The LED lights are fancy, but there's no LED lights inside if you want to grab a drink in the dark or a baby bottle. So that's my honest review, guys. I'll put a link in the description below if you want one of these. This is for the hardcore gamer. This is very, very cheap plastic, but it does fit a lot. So if you're going on the road and you want to impress your nerdy friends, get one of these. Otherwise, just get a standard fridge. It's cheaper, probably more efficient, but this does have the USB on the bottom. That's it for this review. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the future.